If your streaming setup feels slow, confusing, or just not worth it, you're not alone. And today, we're talking about the real problem behind most streaming issues. Your Wi-Fi. Not your apps. Not your device. Your connection. Most people think, I have fast internet, so I should be fine. But speed is not everything. Distance matters. Walls matter. Interference matters. If your signal is weak, your streaming suffers. And that's why you see buffering, lag, low quality. So what should you do? Move closer to your router. Reduce obstacles. Or use a wired connection if possible. Because stability is everything. When your connection is strong, everything improves. Streaming becomes smooth, reliable, and stress-free. If this helped you, follow at MyForeverGem. And subscribe here. Right finger https://www.youtube.com/@MyForeverGem for more simple, intuitive, and relatable videos. And remember, you were here early.